I spent years as an electrician in nuclear power before putting in 17 years in the HVAC industry. If there is one thing I have learned, it is that you cannot hide the truth from a multimeter or a spec sheet. Today, we are looking at two heavy hitters in the premium category, the Carrier Performance Series 26TPA8 and the Lennox ML17KC2. Both of these are ducted split air conditioners designed to sit in the mid-tier of the market. They offer a step up from basic builder's grade units without the eye-watering price tag of a full variable speed system. Both manufacturers did the right thing here in terms of how these units are built to survive the elements. Both the Carrier 26TPA8 and the Lennox ML17KC2 feature full metal louvered coil guards. From a field perspective, that is non-negotiable. Those metal slats protect your aluminum fins from hail, flying debris, and the neighbor's kid with a rogue soccer ball. Without those louvers, your coil is vulnerable. A flattened coil means your system can't breathe, which is a death sentence for a compressor. Both units are manufactured right here in the USA, so you are getting solid domestic assembly in either case. On the electrical and efficiency side, there is a clear distinction. The Carrier 26TPA8 is rated at 18.0 SEER2, while the Lennox ML17KC2 comes in at 17.0 SEER2. Both use two-stage compressors, which is a major technical win. In my electrician days, I saw how single-stage units would slam the electrical system with a massive inrush of current every time they kicked on. These two-stage units are different. They can run at a lower capacity most of the time. This means smoother starts and less stress on your capacitors and contactors. However, the Carrier is significantly quieter, operating at just 67 decibels compared to the 71 decibels you'll get from the Lennox. When that unit is sitting right outside your bedroom window, those 4 decibels make a world of difference. Now, let's talk about the investment. For the Carrier 26TPA8, you are looking at an equipment cost of roughly $6,000 for the condenser alone. A full professional installation typically lands between $5,800 and $9,700 depending on your home's requirements. The Lennox ML17KC2 equipment usually retails between $3,900 and $6,000. Total installed prices average between $5,900 and $9,600. While the Lennox might save you a bit on the initial install, the Carrier's higher efficiency will chip away at that difference every month on your utility bill. Before we get to the warranty, here is a bit of pro advice. Even the best system on the planet will fail if you don't maintain it. Every spring, you need to grab a hose and wash the dust and cottonwood out of those louvered panels. If you let that debris build up, you're forcing that two-stage compressor to pull more amps and run hotter than it was ever designed for. A little water and 10 minutes of your time can add years to the life of your equipment. The warranty battle is where we find the biggest gap in value. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty, provided you register the unit within 90 days. But the Carrier 26TPA8 comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. This means if your compressor fails within the first decade, Carrier doesn't just send a new part. They provide a whole new outdoor unit. The Lennox ML17KC2 offers 0 years of unit replacement. The verdict is final. I am going with the Carrier Performance 26TPA8. While the Lennox is a respectable machine, the Carrier wins on every technical front that matters to a homeowner. It is more efficient with an 18 SEER2 rating and significantly quieter. That 10-year unit replacement warranty is the best insurance policy you can have in your backyard. If you want the better long-term value for your bottom line, put the Carrier on your pad. Shop like a pro and use the tool on the HVAC for Beginners website to compare these models for yourself.